Notabl is a website that allows you to take any YouTube video and turn it into any sort of piece of information or data for yourself, represent it in any way so that you can get some sort of value from it. If this is your first time here, my name is J.I. and this is the Everyday AI channel where we teach you how you can use AI in your daily lives. So I'm going to dive right into this here, and I'm actually going to I'm going to paste a YouTube video I did with a good friend of mine called Marek, who runs a great video production company called One Mars Media. What I'm going to do is I'm actually going to create a business plan based on our conversation. Now, we spoke about creativity in the age of AI and how to make sure you can future-proof yourself. I'm going to see if Notabl can pick up on that and see if it gives us any interesting business plans from that. Now, you can create not just business plans, but also summaries, recipes, workout plans, event recaps, and a whole host of different things here on Notabl. I'm just going to go through the categories here on the left. As you can see, we've just generated our first business plan, and we can also generate self-help plans, interviews, product reviews, book or movie reviews, language learning, event planning. As you can see, there's a whole lot of stuff you can do here. Now, let's take a look at this AI-powered content creation business plan.
I'm actually pleased to announce I've launched one of my first digital products, which is a 7-day prompting ebook. I've called it Perfecting Prompts, and it's essentially a 7-day crash course on how you can improve your prompting so that you can supercharge your productivity. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave the link to Perfecting Prompts below. I put in a lot of work into it, and in there I actually include some frameworks that I teach to global corporations. Definitely check it out.
Okay, cool. So key steps to implement the idea: identify target audience, prompt a library. That's good. It's good that it mentioned that. Establish brand partnerships, of course, also very important. A posting schedule, very true. Commitment to a consistent posting schedule to build audience engagement and algorithm favorability. Well, this is going to be, this is somewhere between the 100th and 200th episode of this channel. So yeah, I completely understand that. Monitor performance as well, of course, because data-driven insights are the holy grail of all business processes and all forms of business development. Okay, cool. It's telling us what resources we'll need, risks and obstacles as well. Cool. So now we've got the business plan. We can basically just put this into anything else, right? If I want, I can also generate a summary out of it, and yeah, essentially use this piece of information I've now received to go on and actually develop this business idea even further. So I think this is an exceptional platform. Definitely check it out. I think it can provide value to more or less anyone, really and truly, if you know exactly how to identify your pain points and take actions towards solving them. If you enjoyed the video, please make sure you subscribe. And if you'd like to talk to me, then head over to Jay's Instagram, where you can chat to ChatJPT, which is essentially ChatGPT combined with my way of thinking, speaking, and seeing the world. So if you like these videos, then you'll definitely enjoy having a chat with ChatJPT. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.